Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana working as assistant professor in RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss about the basis for the ointment. So what is ointment? Ointment is a semi-solid liquid dosage form which is used for the external purpose, or we can say these are the used for the topical application to the skin, maybe for the antifungal action, antibacterial, antiseptic, or cut or wound can be healed by using the ointment. So as you know, ointment, how we made the ointment? Ointment is made by using the drug and the base. Means base is an important ingredient for the formulation of the ointment. We use two ingredients, that is drug and the base, for the formulation of these doses form. So different bases are used for the ointment. First is the oleaginous base, absorption base, emulsion base, and water soluble bases. So these four types of bases are used for the formulation of the ointment. We select the base with the ideal properties that they should be compatible with our drug, they should be non-toxic with our drug, and they should be non-irritant to the skin also, and they can penetrate in the deeper layer of the skin. So depending upon these ideal properties of the base, we select the base by choosing the compatibility of base and drug also. अगर हमारे ड्रग बेस के साथ compatible नहीं होगी, we cannot formulate that ointment formulation. So first is the oleaginous base. So oleaginous base means we include oil and other hydrocarbon bases also. So oleaginous base are the bases which contain oils or hydrocarbon bases of the oil. So examples are hard paraffin, soft paraffin, and liquid paraffin. We can use hard paraffin also, soft paraffin also, and liquid paraffin also. Hard paraffin helps to make the hard base for the ointment. Soft paraffin makes the soft base, and liquid paraffin for the oily bases we can use the liquid paraffin. So these all types of the paraffin are obtained from the petroleum. So it is obtained from the petroleum, and mainly these when we extract them, they are yellow in color and we bleach it to form the white color. So these all the oleaginous base contain oil in it, they contain oil and the hydrocarbon chains, and they are obtained from the petroleum, and they are basically yellow in color. When we bleach it, they come into the white color, and so we use these are used to make the ointment hard and soft. So we use on the dependability of the soft and hard paraffin, and liquid paraffin we use to some less extent. Why? Because it is greasy in nature. जो हमारी liquid paraffin होती है, that is greasy in nature, so we use in less quantity. So these are the oleaginous base. Next come the absorption bases. So absorption bases are the bases which absorb at least 50% of the water. So अगर हम absorption base use करते हैं, they can to some extent dehydrate our skin, because they absorb the most of the water from the body and from the formulation also. When we add water in it, they absorb maximum amount of water. So they are divided into two: non-emulsified bases and water in oil emulsion. We can also use water in oil emulsion also, in which oil and water are mixed together by any emulsifying agent and form an emulsion. They can also use as base for the formulation of ointment. Then in the non-emulsified bases, we include beeswax, wool fat, lanolin, cholesterol. So these all the ingredients or absorption bases are used for the formulation of the eye ointment. ये mainly absorption bases हम किस लिए use करते हैं? eye ointment क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी eyes को क्या चाहिए? Hydration ज़्यादा चाहिए. तो वो क्या होता है, अगर हम वाटर इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे तो एब्जॉर्प्शन बेसिस क्या कर लेंगे, मॉइस्चर ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब करके हमारी आई को क्या कर देते हैं, हाइड्रेट कर देते हैं. सो दीज नॉन इमल्सिफाइड बेसिस मेनली यूज फॉर द आई ऑइंटमेंट. beeswax, we get beeswax from the honeycomb of the bees. जो honeycomb होता है हमारी bees का, उसके हमारे साइड पे क्या होता है, it include the wax, honey wax. इसको हम एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं वैक्स को, दैट इज नोन एज beeswax, and it is also yellow in color. When we bleach the wax, it comes in the white color, which we use in the laboratory scale. Then comes the emulsion basis. In emulsion basis, what we use? We can use water in oil emulsion also and oil in water emulsion also. We can use both the. So emulsion bases are used for the hydrophilic ointments because they contain both oil and water, so they maintain the balance between oil phase and the water phase. And for the vanishing creams में भी हम emulsion basis को add करते हैं. Then come the water soluble bases. Water soluble bases are the bases which are soluble in the water, means they can be solubilized in the water. It includes PEG, polyethylene glycols. So polyethylene glycols are the chain of ethylene and glucose. Means इसमें क्या है, जो हमारी वाटर soluble है, as glucose is soluble in water, so they become the chain of the polyethylene glycols. और ग्लूकोज और इथाइलिन की डिफरेंट चेन्स होती है. Then we can also use the bases from the natural source, maybe triacum, gelatin and pectin and bentonite also. These are the natural products. This is synthetic product, and the triacum, gelatin and pectin are the natural polymers which are used for base, which are used as a water soluble basis for the formulation of the ointment. So these all the bases, hard paraffin, soft paraffin, beeswax, wool fat, cholesterol, these all depending upon the suitability of the base and drug, we choose the base for the formulation of the ointment. So this is all about the basis of ointment. Thank you.